Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today my husband is going to show you how he replaced one single horn to two horns on his Slingshot.
Alright, this is my dual horn install. The single factory horn that was on the Slingshot left a lot to be desired. So I went on Amazon, found these two hella horns. I think they were less than $20. They are a high and low tone. They're two different tones, which gives it a tremendously loud improvement over the single factory horn that was on there. Alright, the two horns also included the horn relay, this. And you can see on other websites how simple it is to wire this. This is my main lead that I've got feeding it. I came off of my main lug of my alternator, and I later plan on changing this out because I'm going to add a additional fuse block for accessories. But this is a must. These two horns draw between 5 and 6 amps each, and you can't use the existing wiring. I use the existing horn wiring to just trigger this relay, which is really nothing more than a switch. And of course this is a lot heavier gauge wire that goes in, and this is what feeds the power amperage and voltage to the horns. And then I've got everything fused. I have this fused here for the actual horn wiring, and then I have the main lead also fused over up close to my alternator. This is the left side, the driver's side horn. I just mounted it to the bracket tree that's already there. It puts the horn down low enough but forward enough that it's still good and loud but out of the way of the hood when it closes. The right side, the mount, is the original mount where the old horn came off of. Alright, here's the improved horn sound off the hella horns.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.